Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, let's get into this video. Okay, guys, I'm at this website. The name of this website is Idle Empire. So on this website, you will be able to earn free skins, games, gift cards, and cryptocurrency. So once you sign up, you're going to start earning points. So it says here, we offer multiple ways to earn points, complete tasks and offers, watch videos, play mobile games, test software, or invite your friends to Idle Empire. Discover your favorite earning method. So they got many ways to earn on here, guys, but today we're going to talk about watching videos. But if you want to use those other ways, you're free to do that so you can make as much money as you can from this website. So number 3, once you get rewards, you'll be able to exchange those points you get in for all different type of gift cards and cryptocurrency. Now they have your favorite rewards, as you can see here, Bitcoin. They got Xbox gift cards. They have all different type of gift cards you can get from this site, from popular games, also PayPal, money, and iTunes. Now I have an account, so what I'm going to do is log in. I'm going to show you around in the account and show you how you can make money watching videos. Okay guys, I'm inside my account. So as you can see here, they have the surveys you can do, offer walls, offers, videos, referrals, and promotions. So if you look over here, they have the leaderboard. So once you accumulate enough coins, you'll be able to get on the leaderboard. As you can see here, these are all the people that's on the leaderboard. They accumulated enough coins to be placed on the leaderboard. Now let's just go back to the earn page and we're going to click on videos. Now, how does it work? So you're going to create an account on hideout.tv and start watching the videos from below. You earn 9 hideout points for every 3 advertisements, which is 50 coins on Idle Empire. Then you'll be able to redeem your points from Hideout TV to Idle Empire. So that's how that works, guys. So all you have to do is just click on any one of these right here and watch some ads and you get paid. So let me just click on this one right here where it says gaming. So as you can see, here's the ad popping up, it's loading. So you just watch this ad and a couple of more ads and you're going to get paid. And as you can see, the rewards is going to pop up right here. And this is for Hideout TV. First, you have to log into Hideout TV first so you'll be able to accumulate these points from just watching ads. Now let me go back to the account. Now, if you want to watch a video on here and you just want to watch some videos that you're interested in, as you see, they have all different type of categories. So they got gaming, laughs, movie buzz, staff faves, tech talk, Hideout TV best life. They got celebrity, they got chillax, they have polka, music, and many more, guys. So you have a variety of videos you can watch, but ultimately all you're going to be doing is watching the ads. So you can click on any one of them and just watch the ads and you accumulate that money. Now The next thing I want to show you is the withdraw. Okay, I'm over here with the withdrawal points. And as you can see, you need to get 1,000 to get some Litecoin, 1,000 to get Bitcoin, Ethereum, and they have Stellar. They have Amazon gift card, but on here you got to get 39,500. I know that sounds a lot, but if you just look at those videos, look at 3 ads, it's going to take seconds to do that. Okay guys, that's all I'm going to show you about this website. So I think this is a good website you need to check out and start making money just watching videos. So go to idle-empire.com, sign up, get started, and start making this money. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please give me a like and subscribe to this channel. I drop videos every other day. And please share this everywhere. Help this channel get to 8,000 subscribers. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. Okay guys, on that note, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and please have a prosperous day.